Ready?
You go ahead.
All right, let's see what's in the box. Oh, there's a letter. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap the present before. Okay. So I have to open the present and then I read this. It's in this really nice wrapper. What does it say? It says, "Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy this. Love, Grandma Daisy." Oh, that's cute. Oh, here.
Oh, it's gift wrapped.
Yeah, it's really nice gift wrap.
Nice.
Oh, it's another layer.
Suspense is building.
It must be Italian.
Why is that?
Oh, it says fragile.
Oh my gosh.
Is this alive?
What?
What is that?
You're alive.
What's on your
Oh, it's a wine glass?
We're just recording it.
What's in it? Oh, it's
Chocolate.
another thing. It says square wave. I've done this. What is this?
Okay.
Maybe?
Is that a...
Oh, I think it's like a hanging thing.
Oh,
That's kind of
Whoa.
cool.
that is really cool. Whoa.
It looks cool.
Whoa.
Oh, it says. Oh, it's a piece of kinetic art. You spin it. Okay, so you can like do this. Wait, how do you spin it? This way? Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
That is amazing. I love
Ooh.
that.
Whoa.
I
It's
want that for
kinetic art.
Christmas. What? Look at that.
You know what? Does it say where you actually keep it?
Whoa.
Where to keep it?
Yeah.
Um,
Fridge.
Because it might be neat to put that on your desk at work. Because when you're sometimes like on a phone call, thinking, whatever,
Yeah.
you got lunch, you might play with it. I have stuff like that I have at my desk I play with.
let me see if I can.
Keeps your creative juices flowing.
If I put it up.
Oh, wow.
It goes all the way. Whoa.
That's
Wow.
really cool.
That's very cool.
How does that even work?
We're mesmerized.
Ooh. Oh, I think I broke it. Oh, it fixed itself.
Wow. We'll send it to Grandma Daisy.
This is very cool.
Very cool gift.
Yeah.
I want to play with it.
I want to play with it too.
Max wants to play with it. Do you want to play with it, Max? Who's here, Max? Who's here? Who's here?
Now I have to read the letter now. It said open the gift first and then read the
Can
letter.
I play with it?
Oh, it's a return receipt.
Well, I'm going to tell you what my dad always said. If it can last more than 6 days, it's a good toy. Or maybe 6 hours or 6 minutes.
There's instructions here on how to use it.
All right. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, thank you. It was very cool. I like it.